girar todo o Maribor e dá para rodar e rodar. E ele vai ficar zonzo também. Aqui estou eu, assim, no ciclismo. I've been traveling a lot since I was a kid, and I did some interrails. I got to see several countries in Europe, and I got the feeling that people are very much alike. I couldn't really say that people from Slovenia were that different from people in Portugal, so I tried to create some figures that could actually be tourists, completely different. I actually look around people and try to get them off guard, take photos. I always try to take a lot of different photos, especially from the textures, from the buildings and from different places in Maribor, because I always use them. I like to use them in my characters to create my own art, so they're more rich and more versatile, and it's a way that I can actually put Maribor into my characters to create my art. So, since I've been here in Maribor, I always try to go out a lot, to go to different places so I can meet a lot of people. And I actually met this guy, is Dennis. Is quite a figure. I never know what I can find him because he's like everywhere all the time, and he's always telling me that he's going to quit. He's always having new jobs and quitting again. Don't know if you can actually trust him on anything, but he's a lot of fun to hang out. And there's also this other guy that I really never know where to find. He's always with the camera, taking photos of everything. It's Dennis, Henry. And I met this Tommy guy. He's a really shy guy. He's really small. He doesn't talk at all. He just stares at things. I know he thinks a lot, but he doesn't share what he's thinking, never. Maribor is very green and yellow. Yeah, very green, yellow, and maybe some pink. And when I got here the first day, I had the impression, oh, it's very yellow, and the light was beautiful. And then the second day, it was all white because it was the first day that it snowed, and it was the first time I actually saw snow. And I walk on snow, so I walk around Maribor like a very silly person because I was ecstatic, really happy about everything. I seemed like a child. I was also always dancing on the streets. I walk around the town and I saw so many colors, and the buildings are a lot of fun. They have many different shapes. All the streets are full with color, and it's very much alive, the town. I was a bit lost back in Portugal, and I had a lot of people around me, but I felt really alone. And I came here and I didn't know anybody. I really felt much more alive and with a lot more company here than I did back in my country. So, this is Dennis, the guy I told you about. He's the one that is always quitting jobs, but it's a lot of fun. And right here he's just eating a cheese sandwich. I think you recognize this one. It's Henry. As you can see, he has his camera and he sees everything. And that little fellow, it's Tommy, the shy one. And in case you're wondering, that's Zach. So, these were the friends I was telling you about, and you can meet them at Kecna Costa Street, on the Revolutionary Square, and in Menzies Park, near the Red Church and near the river. I really hope you enjoyed their company as well as I did. Vamos lá ver se o Henry consegue ver bocadinho melhor. Maybe the best place is really just up here.